Here's a quick little video on adding a leading zeros to fill up what we're trying to do in column A. So we need to be able to type in a 0 here and then do 4 or 5, and it's not doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to say the largest text string that we have here is 4 digits. We want to fill in the rest of these with zeros if it's not 4 digits long. So let's go ahead and write that. So in other words, 4 digits long, quick little video on how to be able to do that. If I were to type in 0045 here and hit enter, then it suppresses the first 2 zeros. So this is called leading zeros, and it's easy to fix in Excel. We're going to use custom formatting for that. So let's highlight column B. Make sure we go to custom formatting. Let's make sure we go to format cells first, then custom formatting. I was able to do that without you seeing me do it because I hit Control 1. You can either right click and get to format cells. There's 13 different ways you can do it, or I like using the shortcut Control 1. We're going to go to custom, and then because our largest text in this column is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can go ahead and click OK. So now if I copy and paste these numbers into here, I'm going to do a paste special where I'm only going to paste in the values. Then at that point, just like that, the ones that are not 4 digits long, it's just filling it in with the leading zeros. Quick, easy to fix with something called custom formatting. Custom formatting does so many great things. Leading zeros is just one of them.